Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for writing scripts. So if you create YouTube videos, TikToks, presentations, or other content and want Claude to help write your scripts, just follow along. First, open the Claude app on your phone and sign into your account. After that, start a new chat. Now tell Claude exactly what kind of script you need. For example, you can type something like write a 1-minute YouTube tutorial script on how to create a Gmail account. The more details you provide, the better the script will be. You can specify the length, tone, audience, and style you want. Once Claude generates the script, read it through and make any changes you need. You can also ask Claude to rewrite parts of the script, make it shorter, make it more engaging, or simplify the language. And if you're creating content for social media, you can ask Claude to write scripts specifically for YouTube Shorts, TikToks, or Instagram Reels. So that was how to use Claude AI for writing scripts quickly and easily. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.